These might mess with your gut and blood sugar, but not if you know what to do before you eat them. Today I'll show you 5 easy cooking hacks that can cut gluten, drop glycemic index, and make your grains work for your gut. Maybe grains bloat you, maybe your energy crashes after rice, but the fix isn't always to eliminate. It's to activate the right prep method. Because with the right technique, you can lower gluten by up to 97% and lower blood sugar spikes without cutting carbs. So hack number 1, sourdough fermentation. Lactic acid bacteria break down gluten proteins and phytic acid. After 12 to 24 hours, gluten can drop up to 97% and the glycemic index falls too. More minerals become absorbable and the gut symptoms often way less intense. So how do you do it? Mix 20% sourdough starter with 80% flour. Let it rise for at least 12 hours. Room temperature is fine, the longer the better. Hack number 2, sprouting. When a grain sprouts, it activates enzymes that partially break down gluten, anywhere from 15 to 47% depending on conditions. It also cuts phytic acid and lectins and boosts gut-friendly nutrients like GABA and antioxidants. How to do it? Rinse grains, soak 8 hours, then keep them moist at room temperature, usually in a dark place. Rinse twice a day. In 24 to 48 hours, you will see a tiny tail. That's your signal. Hack number 3. Cook, cool and reheat. No major gluten changes here, but the starch becomes something called RS3, resistant starch. That means fewer glucose spikes, more food for your good gut bacteria, less post-meal crash. So how do you do it? Cook rice or pasta, chill for 8+ hours in the fridge. Reheat gently, don't boil it again. It's like a blood sugar buffer. Hack number 4, pressure cooking. It won't remove gluten, but it denatures lectins, softens fibers, and removes tolerability for people with constipation-prone IBS. Think beans, lentils, brown rice, 12 to 15 minutes at high pressure. So how to do it? Just add water, seal, and press a button. It's 3x gentler on your gut than dry or stovetop beans. And pro tip, you can stack these hacks. Sprouted sourdough, boiled. Pro tip, you can stack these hacks. Sprouted sourdough, boil, cook, reheat sprouted rice, soaked oats that you pressure cook, more breakdown, less bloat, better digestion, and same delicious grains. So here's a quick science win. Sourdough breaks gluten peptides down by acid plus enzymes. Sprouting activates natural proteases in the grain. Cooling starch changes its shape, literally making it resistant to digestion. These aren't trends, they are transformations. We created the Gutspare app. Download it below. Start with one habit this week or one hack this week and see how your gut responds. Your gut doesn't need perfection, it needs support. And next time, we will talk about who actually needs to avoid grains 100%. Because here's a spoiler, not everyone does. See you there.